In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the zoom level on Outlook email messages for easier reading. If the text in your inbox or the body of an email feels too small or too large, a quick zoom adjustment can make it much easier on your eyes. We'll start in a web browser and use a simple keyboard and mouse gesture that works great with Outlook on the web. Open your browser and head to Google. In the search field, type Outlook, then click the official Outlook site in the results to open Outlook on the web. If you're prompted to sign in, continue as you normally would, and you'll land in your inbox. With your inbox open, click any email you want to read so the message content appears on the right. Now you're ready to adjust zoom. Hold down the Control key on your keyboard, and at the same time, gently scroll the wheel on your mouse. Scrolling up zooms in, making text and images larger. Scrolling down zooms out, showing more on the screen at once. Move the wheel slowly so you can stop exactly where the content feels comfortable. As you zoom, you'll notice the entire Outlook page scales, the message body, the reading pane, and the navigation. That's expected, because this changes the browser's zoom level for this tab. It's a fast way to improve readability without digging through menus. If you overshoot, simply reverse the scroll direction while still holding Control until the size looks right again. A few helpful notes. This kind of zoom affects how you see the page, but it doesn't change the actual formatting of the email or how anyone else sees it. It also won't alter the font size of messages you send. It's purely a viewing preference. The zoom level typically sticks with the tab while it's open, so when you return to this tab, it should remember your setting. If things look slightly misaligned after a big change, a quick refresh helps the layout settle. On a touchpad, that same Control key plus a gentle two-finger scroll works the same way as a mouse wheel. That's all there is to it. Open Outlook on the web, open an email from your inbox, then use Control plus a gentle mouse scroll to zoom in or out until reading feels easy and comfortable. With this simple gesture, you can tailor the view of any message in your Outlook inbox in seconds.